Welcome to my channel. A for alligator snapping in the sun. B for bear who likes to run. C for cat with a soft meow. D for dog who says bow wow. E for elephant, big and grand. F for fox, quick on the land. G for giraffe, so tall and bright. H for hippo, happy and light. I for iguana, climbing a tree. J for jellyfish, swimming free. K for koala, cuddly and slow. L for lion, ready to roar. M for monkey, swinging high. N for nightingale, singing in the sky. O for owl, awake at night. P for panda, black and white. Q for quail, small and sweet. R for rabbit, hopping on feet. S for snake, slithering low. T for tiger, ready to go. U for unicorn, magic playtime fun. V for vulture, soaring in the sun. W for whale, splashing the sea. X for x-ray fish, glowing happily. Y for yak, furry and strong. Z for zebra, now sing along.